everybody, it's Sam here. Thank you for watching today. So I'm doing the unboxing of kit 26 from the Papercraft Society. So this one is by Lou Collins and her range is the Textures range on Craft Stash. So you've got this beautiful winter scene here. You can see all the tree detail there. Looks like the snowflakes. And then you've got this lovely silver like swirl flower effect on the front there. So inside this one it says crafting makes cold winter days feel much warmer. Definitely. So we're going to start with the envelope first. I love the design on this. I haven't opened this. This is the first time. I mean, I just briefly looked there, but I haven't looked inside the wallet or anything yet. But I saw this and I thought, yeah, I really like that one. I've got an embossing folder similar to that detail. So that's the Textures logo by Lou Collins. And then inside here, we have our 3 pockets. So it says there's something very special about a handcrafted gift. Snowflakes are one of nature's most beautiful creations. It's amazing what can be created with just a little paper and imagination, and that's so true. I still surprise myself now what you can create. So first of all, we will go through, I'll start with this side and I'm going to take all of it out of the packaging so we can see it a bit better. Okay, so this is the die set. I've flipped it over because you've got letters. Now, this is the first time I've got large letters in the Papercraft Society box. So you've got winters or winter, and then you've got a H and a B, which is obviously, I'm guessing, happy birthday, but I'm sure in the inspiration it will explain all that. But I really like these tag dies here. So you've got 1, 2, 3, you've got 4, then you've got little flag tails here, and you've got a different shape there as well. So I'm not too sure, again, how they're to be used, but there is a inspo book with between 15 and 20 ideas on how to use your kit, so I'm looking forward to looking at that in a moment. Then we've got this stencil. I should still be able to see it against this. Let me just grab a darker piece here. There we go, that's better. You've got the large snowflake, you've got a snowfall there, 2 smaller ones, and then this swirl detail which is similar to what's on the packaging. And then this is the stamp set. So you've got these 4 centimetres, which now makes sense that these are going to cut. There we go. You can see they fit in each of those perfectly. So you've got walking in a winter wonderland, warmest birthday wishes, make a wish, and winter greetings. So these are going to work through into, you know, January and February, those really cold months for us here in the UK. But there's also elements here that are going to look lovely for any Christmas makes that you want to do. I can see these snowflakes embossed in silver. I think that would look lovely. And also white embossing powder against like a navy background, I think would look really sweet. But you've got the winter stamp there, this beautiful swirl, and then you've got your corners here, and I think these cut, oh no, oh I get it, okay, so yeah, that you'll see that detail, although it doesn't die cut it, but it's stamped. Oh, I think they're your like registration marks to line it up. Yeah, you can see there, that's what that is. So that is one big stamp. So yeah, so you would stamp that, it will stamp these hexagons in whatever colour, and then you'd use them to line up this whole die. So you can literally batch cut those sentiments. I really like that idea. And it's easy then to pop back on your sheet there. So that's the stamp, dies and stencil. And then you've got your specialty papers here. So we've got this beautiful brick wall with then a wintry like forest in the background there, woodland scene. So you get 2 of that one. Then you've got this one here, which I thought it was like a tree or a fern tree. I think it is because they look like baubles, but it also looks like the ice when it starts to form on the glass and you get all those beautiful patterns. That's kind of what it looks like, but it's the same here. But can you see the baubles? Or maybe they're berries. Anyway, it's very nice. So you get 2 of that one. Then you got this lovely brick wall with the snow. I think that's cool. I like that one a lot. And then there's my favourite one. Love the knitted jumper or sweater. So you get 6 of your papers. So that's everything in the envelope. And then as I was taking that out of the box, you've got these 2 here. So I'm imagining, again, there's probably some inspiration in the booklet, and these are to maybe be cut out or to be used as a stencil. So you've got this lovely blue tissue paper, and then inside we've got some chipboard shapes. So Lou's collection is known for texture, hence the name Textures. And she's got a lot of these like chipboard shapes on her main collection. So these pop out. You have to be very delicate. Don't kind of force it. Just work each piece out like so. Isn't that gorgeous? There is a little bit of where it's been cut, but I mean that wipes off, so just be careful. But they're gonna I'm gonna try and make some time to use these before Christmas, between now and Christmas, because I'd like to make a couple of decorations. So I actually think they're really nice. And then with anything like this, don't waste that, because that's a perfect stencil, or that could be used, you know, on something else. So you get 2 of that one, then you get 2 of the just the circle or the discs there. So great for some mixed media work, but also you could do like a coaster, you could put resin on that and all sorts. Then we've got some texture paste. So we've had gesso in these little pots before, but this time we've got texture paste, so intrigued to see how that works. And then this, oh yeah, this is a quilling kit. So this is your template guide for quilling. Now I've only done quilling I think once, and it was a long time ago. I think it was like in the 90s. Very, very long time ago. So I have nothing, I have no templates or anything. It's the first thing I've ever got. And then you've got your quilling strips, I guess. I don't know the proper name for these, but you can see, in fact, yeah, this takes me back to my childhood. I can picture myself with this, something similar, but it's been a long time. I wouldn't even know where to begin. So I'm looking forward to giving this a go. And now it's got me thinking about doing a bright coloured looking quilled snowflake. We'll see. Let's see what it shows us. I'm already getting ahead of myself. And then here, this looks like, it doesn't look like embossing powder. It looks just like a nice glitter, a snowflake glitter in that pot. This is obviously your quilling tool. Can't remember how to use it, but it does have a little slot in the end there. So that's obviously where you add your strips and then you twist them around that. There's our booklet. So we'll go through that in a moment. And then this is your coordinating cardstock. So we've got 2 sheets of the blue, 2 sheets of the grey, you've got this lovely iced blue, and then like a charcoal. So it's not quite black, but all those colours work nicely together here. So this is Lou. I'm not going to show everything, because there's always people, you know, that see these videos and then think, oh, actually I'd like to get that one, so I don't want to give away everything. But here's just a quick little intro here. So it's got the quilling basics. So I'm going to go through that. And then here's just a shadow box, so a piece of home decor she's done with the winter. Oh, so you can spell out winter, you can spell out wishes with those dies. And then you can see all that lovely design. There's that paper that I love in the background. So that's one idea. And then here's the snowflake. So I think I'm going to do something similar to this, but I'm going to use all the bright colours. The turquoise, the pink, the yellow, and I'm going to make something to suit my decor, because I've got very bright Christmas decor. So there's lots of quilling inspo in here, but I was drawn to this one here, which is something different. And I just love the way that Lou's used the strips there in some of my favourite colours to create that card. But then I was wondering, why is it in French? Because there's nothing French in my kit. But then I saw down here, it says extra downloads, and it tells you how to get those. And you just print them and then use the die, and they're laid out exactly the same as the stamps. So that's brilliant. So if you yeah, if you want them in some other languages, it says here download English, French and Spanish sentiments. I think that's a great idea. I think they're really nice. So it's definitely some new things there that I've not tried before, which I'm looking forward to. So that is everything in kit 26 of the Papercraft Society. Let me know if you've got yours and what you've been making. I'm looking forward to trying this. It's probably going to be now in the new year, because I've already got everything scheduled for this year, and I'm currently using the Olga's box, which is box 25. I was just looking up at all of mine there. So I'm using that one at the moment. So this will be the next one that I start to enjoy. So if you would like to find out more about the Papercraft Society, I will link the direct link to there in the description box below, so you can see all the different subscription prices, the different kind of subscription packages that they have as well. And also I'll share the direct link to this box, because I believe it's still available on open stock, so that will be linked below as well. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll be back very soon with more tutorials. Take care. Bye.